me carry in these groceries.
Oh, you got duck season!
1 day rental, so make the most of it.
Oh, I will!
Duck Season Instructional VHS Tape 1.
Hey hunters, it's duck season, so that means we got a lot of first-time hunters out there. I'm gonna teach you how to use your shotgun today. All our shotguns come preloaded, so to start shooting, all you gotta do is aim it and pull the trigger. Now to keep shooting, all you gotta do is place your hand on the pump of the shotgun and rack that baby. Now you got another round in the chamber and you're ready to shoot. Just like that. Now, reloading your shotgun is easy. All you gotta do is put your hand out, summon a shell from your box, and put that baby into the chamber underneath the shotgun. Pump it one more time, and you're ready to go again. Now, professional hunters, they like to keep their shotgun topped off. So each time you fire off a round and you have a second, put a baby in there. Keep yourself prepared for the amount of ducks that'll be flying at you. They'll be coming from everywhere. From the left, to the right. They're everywhere, man. So I hope you guys learned something. And remember, the first rule of gun safety is have fun. Because remember, it's duck season.
Daddy, can I ice ya? Juguete.
Thank you.